Wonder what digital marketing actually is? Let me break it down in 60 seconds. Digital marketing is any type of marketing that takes place online. This includes things like social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, email marketing, sending targeted emails to customers, search engine optimization, SEO, making sure your website shows up on Google, and pay per click ads like Google Ads. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting others' products. Key is using digital tools for platforms to reach your target audience, promote products, and grow a business. Whether you're a small business or an individual, digital marketing helps you reach people around the world. Pretty simple, right? Digital marketing is all about using the internet to connect with the right people. Want to learn more? Hit the follow button for daily tips.